Hello, my name is Kev from DataSites, and in this short video, we're going to show you how to create an account on our platform and get your Dia data automated into Excel and or Power BI and or Google Sheets and beyond, essentially. So first thing you want to do is click on Try It Free. There's a short page to fill out with some details, email and password, and you will get an account on our platform. So there are a few demos here to whet the appetite in terms of what can be achieved. But let's just get Let's get stuck straight into it. Yes. First is to create a database. Now, when you click on here, there'll be another short video showing you that you can either create your own database. It's super simple, just a couple of clicks, or if you've got an existing cloud database, you can bring that to the party as well. The next bit is to go and in the connectors, hook up Dia or whatever other systems you have that you want to consolidate. So here you can see we've got two separate Dias hooked up. To hook up a third, or if in your case there wouldn't be one, so you just click Add New Instance and you hit the enter in a name and then get the account key and the application key. There is a video on the very first page before you connect showing you how you can get the account key and application key from Dia itself. After that, after you hit save, the next step is to then go to data syncs and connect your data sync. So here you can go add new, select Dia, and select, we have a couple of different options. This is a full Dia sync, sales only sync. There's a few others, so just get in touch with us in the chat box, which is hiding behind my picture down on the bottom left here. And select a time. So this will be replaced next week with a nice, much easier, I want it daily at this time, or once a week, or whatever, or multiple times per day. And after that, you save. And then you can trigger your sync over here. And so it's that simple. So within a few steps, what we've done is we've created an account, we've created you a dedicated cloud database, which is only going to have your business's data in it. And then we've connected Dia. We've told Dia that we've said when we want the data to sync. And usually within 30 minutes to an hour, your data will be ready. And so what do we do after that? Well, there'll be a couple more videos on how to do that. But essentially, we've got another little video which shows you how to connect Power BI Desktop to your cloud database. We've got a little video on how to connect Excel to your cloud database, and how to connect SQL Server Management Studio to your database. If you want to push to Google Sheets, that's under here in the Google Sheet push service. But don't stress, just hit us up on the chat below and we'll talk you through the process at any stage. So I hope that was informative. I hope you can see how easy it is, and look forward to chatting to you and automating your data. Thanks, cheers, bye.